Hey everyone, look what's back and is better than ever. The 32 has been at Kenny's Rod Shop getting all the metal fab done. It's been there for several months and we finally got it back so we can do some more things that we're going to do in-house, and we're excited about that to give you some show and tell.
We're also going to show you a couple methods for measuring rear end, a custom rear end. Stay tuned.
Hey everybody, I don't know about you, but I don't like how far this tire is sticking out of the fender. No, it's not a new trend, maybe for some, but for most, no. We did that on purpose to show you the need for a narrowed rear end. So we're going to use our 32 Ford project to show you two different methods for measuring for a custom width rear end. Dutchman, of course. First, let's get these roll around wheels and tires removed and get the new shot wheels installed, and we'll start measuring. So the best way to measure is to use an adjustable slip tube measuring device like what we have. So let's get the car up in the air and I'll give you some good show and tell. Let's get to it. We ballpark the width, and with the tacked 4-link brackets, we'll be able to check for tire clearance with all suspension articulations. In other words, suspension full droop and bump, and the opposite, full droop on one side and full bump on the other. It's not as important if you have plenty of tire clearance to all areas, but it's super important if you're trying to stuff as much tire under the back like our project. We just want to get it right the first time. You know what your dad said 100 plus times? Measure twice, cut once. So now that we're okay with the stance and the width and the placement of the wheel in the fender, it's time to pull it apart, and we'll show you method 2 for measuring. It looks good. Great stance. That's where the front's going to sit. We want to be able to drive it, so we can't lower it too much. So since we ballparked the original width and then fine-tuned it, we now have a new width. So we're going to check that width. We both have made guesses. I guess 52.5. Michael guesses
3/4.
52 3/4. We'll see who's right.
Right in the middle, 5/8.
52 5/8. It's a tie. Another way to measure is simply set the wheels and tires under the vehicle wheel openings, propping them in place with some 2x4s, or in our case, jack stand pads. You'll want to make sure you have decent clearance to the inner and outer fender or quarter panel surfaces. Once you're satisfied with the width, simply measure from wheel mounting face to face. A couple things to keep in mind with this method. The vehicle should be at ride height or close. The wheels and tires need to be as parallel as possible to each other and pointing straight forward. And if you don't have an adjustable sliding tube measuring device like ours, you won't be able to articulate the suspension up and down to further check for tire clearance under all situations. Hopefully this video was helpful and entertaining. If it was, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel and click the bell to be notified for future videos.